Why did the egg cross the road? To get to the Shell station. So for today's Draw With Me, we're actually doing a Paint With Me. We're gonna use potatoes and make cool Easter egg designs with them. Dip them in paint and put them on our paper. Let's get started. Hi guys, so for this craft we use potatoes, we use paint, a knife, a paintbrush, and some white paper. The first thing I did was cut my potatoes in half, and then I took a knife to carve out a little design on each of the potatoes. So we just made some lines and some plaid potatoes and some polka dot potatoes, and the girls dip them into the paint and press them onto their paper. Now, if you want a more specific design, you can actually use your paintbrush and paint the colors you'd like on each part of the potato. The girls loved mixing the colors to create some new colors and kind of a rainbow effect on their pages. This was a fun, messy craft, but a cool way to draw or paint Easter eggs. We would love to see what you guys come up with, and we hope you have a fun time. Have a great week, guys. See you next week. Bye.